Yeah, so hi guys. Today I will just show you that how the FNO data of FII is being calculated, from where do we take the data कहाँ से लेते हैं, and what all calculation needs to be done. So Nigel publishes this data every day. Okay, he publishes both the futures data and he also publishes all the options data. So we will try to calculate the same thing and see if ये comparable है कि नहीं, यानी हमारे calculations right है कि नहीं. Okay, and if you observe, we will do it for the April 29th. Okay, so accordingly we'll go to the NSE website and we'll see how it needs to be done. Okay, so first of all you have to go to the NSE website. NSE website में जाइए, go to market data and then on your right यहाँ पे click on daily market reports. Okay, and then right next to capital market there is derivatives. So just click on that and we should get all the derivatives data. So हमें we got the data for 29, the calculation which we are interested in, and if you scroll down a little you will also find the data for 28th of April, so a day before. In our calculations we will need the data for 2 days, so the day on for which we want to calculate and one for the day before that. Okay, and I'll also show you one more thing additional at the end which also he publishes. यहाँ पे नहीं है but he does that all the time. I'll just show you वो भी कैसे करते हैं, but for now let's just focus on the index futures and the index options. Okay, so now to do that we stay on 29th. Okay, so reports on 29th, for 29th you just scroll a little and you look for FNO participation wise open interest. So this is the file which we are interested in. Just click on that file and you just open it in your XLS, I mean in your Excel. I'll just zoom it a little more. Okay, so this entire data is for 29th. Okay, and if you notice, this has got the DII, FII and many other things, but right now we are interested only in how to do the calculations for the FII data. Okay, and one more thing, we are also only interested in index. So for example, we are interested in what the future index is, what the future index short is. We are not interested in stock. Stock क्या है, we are not bothered about that. Again, for option index, long and short, we are interested in both. And option selling, which is nothing but somebody use the word writing use करते हैं, बहुत लोग उसको selling बोलते हैं. So this 4 data, so index, future index long short, option index buying, which is nothing but buying, long short कितना call buy किया और कितना put buy किया, and कितना selling किया है on the call side and the put side. Okay, so we'll keep this file as it is for now. Just remember this is for 29th, and we go back to our NSE website. Okay, and again you scroll down and now we are interested in 28th ka data. Okay, we take the same file participation wise open interest, but for the 28th. Okay, you download this file as well, and now we have 2 files, right? This is for the day before, and the file behind it is the current date. Okay, so the day before वाली file का data, okay, you just copy them in your current day file. So I am copying this data in my current day file. Okay, so just for your reference I will just write yesterday to make it clear. Okay, so this is for 28th April 22. Okay, and this data right here is for the 29th. Okay, so data downloading is done. Now we have to just do a simple formula addition subtraction to get the data which we are interested in. So come to any empty column, okay, right here, let's say we will basically be interested only in the FII data. Okay, so ye wala and ye wala, for so this entire row and this entire row. Okay, so what I'll do is equal to sign, because I want to do some calculation. I'm interested only in the FII data, so I'll choose this one minus whatever was done yesterday. Okay, I hope it's very straightforward. So what I have done is I've subtracted today's number minus yesterday's number. Okay, and then you just copy this for the entire, for everything else, right? So basically only copy paste for all the other columns as well. So now we have the data. Now we just have to compare this data with the data which has been published. Okay, so here it says that FIIs have actually bought, okay, they have bought 1.71764. If you round it off, you can call it 1.7 or you can call 1.8, whatever. Okay, 1000 mein hai. And we go back to Nigel ka data. So look, what he has written here is long plus 1.8, yani FIIs have actually bought, okay, they have bought 1.8 thousand in futures. So this is what the data matches with ours. Okay, next is short mein he is saying that minus 3.2 thousand. So again, this is 3193. He always rounds it off. Okay, simply because Twitter has certain limits on number of characters that we can have. So remember guys, whenever this is a negative number, that means के FIIs have unwound. Unwound यानी उन्होंने जो पहले शॉर्ट्स बाय किए थे वो उन्होंने क्लोज कर दिए हैं. So if you compare this data, they have bought in futures and whatever shorts they had earlier, they have closed them. So this futures data by itself should be considered as positive. Okay, because यहाँ पे बाई किया है और यहाँ पे अनवाउंड किया है. अगर ये बहुत ही बड़ा पॉजिटिव होता, से ये 1.7 एज इट इज़ होता और ये लेट्स से के प्लस 10,000 होता, एक एग्जाम्पल, प्लस 10,000 एक एग्जाम्पल. ओके, दैट मीन्स दे हैव taken a lot of short position, which tells you that the FIIs are bearish. Market में क्या होएगा the following day nobody knows, but the data is suggesting bearish. यहाँ पे it is actually bullish because they have bought calls and they have unwound shorts. A lot of times they both numbers you will find positive also. Okay, so this is for the futures. So this part is done. Okay, let's move on to the second one, which is options related. Okay, so this is how many calls or how many puts and or how many calls and how many puts they have bought, and this one is how many calls and how many puts they have written. Written is nothing but sold. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना ऑप्शन सेल किया है, ऑप्शन राइट किया है. दे आर बोथ सेम थिंग. ओके, सो फर्स्ट लेट्स कंपेयर कि कितना बाय किया है. यहाँ पे ही सेज 2 lakh calls. Okay, so FIIs have bought 2 lakh calls. If you come back to our ये वाला column, okay, so here if you see option index call and on option index put long. Long is nothing but कितना बाय किया है और यहाँ पे put कितने बाय किए हैं. So again very clearly यहाँ पे आ रहा है 2,03,000. So again same thing, he has rounded it off to 2 lakh. So FIIs have bought 2 lakhs and they have also bought कितना 1,13,000 puts. Okay, so what he has written is he has said कि bought 2 lakh calls एंड यहाँ पे उसने ही इज नॉट रिटर्न हाउ मेनी पुट्स हैव बॉट, but he is saying it's in the ratio of 2:1, which means ke puts are half of what calls have been bought. Okay, so then that again matches our data. Okay, so yahan pe they have bought again. This data is also bullish. Why? Because he has bought more, FIs have bought more calls and they have bought less puts. Okay, so this suggests that it's a bullish data on the call side buying. Okay, and the last thing is ki how many options have been sold. Okay, yani selling kitna kiya hai. So the higher the number of call selling, that means ke they are bearish. Okay, yahan pe is written that wrote 1.5 lakh calls. Okay, we come back to our next column. और यहाँ पे अपना क्या आ रहा है, 1,46,175, and what he has written is he has rounded it off to 1.5 lakh. So again यहाँ पे they have written 1.5 lakhs and they have written only 50,000. So if you see this ratio, this is 3:1 ratio. Again, right? It's in the ratio of 3:1. So that matches our data. Again, see guys, every time if the number is negative, अगर ये वाला number अगर negative होता, that would have suggested that they have closed the position. Okay, and every time there is a positive number, that means they have written those many or they have added those many. So negative और positive का वही difference है. So rest of the data is all related to stock, which we are not interested in. So this is how the data is calculated. So I hope you guys are clear on how this is done. And I'll just add one more thing, which also he does a lot of times. I don't know why he has not done it this time, but I'll just show it to you. Okay, a lot of times he tells you कि futures में FIIs have bought future. See, this is all options data, right? I'm talking about futures में उन्होंने कितने long किए हैं. So to calculate that, let me just close this. Okay, so for that, again just go back to the same page where we were, and we are only interested in today's which is 29th ka data, and scroll down a little and you will find FII derivatives statistics. Okay, just open this file. I'll just zoom a little, and again we are only interested in futures का data. So यहाँ पे this is the only line that we are interested in, and we are only interested in amount. We are not interested in contracts, we are only interested in crores. How many futures they have bought, whether they have bought or whether they have sold. So that's a very simple. Find any empty column or empty cell, an equal to sign. You do कितना buy किया है, okay, futures का, minus कितना sell किया है, okay, and whatever number that you get. So in this case we have got 441. So that tells you that 441 crores of futures they have bought. अगर वो negative होता, so that means के that many they have sold, है ना. So that is it. I mean, this is all the FI data which generally are being calculated and being displayed here, है ना. So I hope you guys have got an understanding of how this is done. You can, for practice purpose, you can just go to his old tweets, do the exact same way. You can find the data. If you need archive, I mean if you need the old data, just go to this daily reports. यहाँ पे archive है, click on that, select the date that you are interested in, and say for example कोई भी date आप choose कर लेना, पास्ट की ऑफ कोर्स, एंड देन इट शुड गिव यू द डेटा फॉर दैट डे, और आप वहाँ से उसको कैलकुलेट कर लेना, ठीक है. सो आई होप दिस video you will find it helpful, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Bye.